geobyte.
Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Okay, look at the screen. It is asking like this. The frequency V, small v, here V is for frequency, not for velocity, of an oscillating liquid drop may depend on radius of the drop small r, density of the liquid rho, and surface tension of the liquid S. Given V equal to, look at the given relation, frequency V equal to R power A, rho power B, and surface tension power C. The values of A, comma B and C respectively. It is given that rho by the density, S by the surface tension of the liquid, R by the radius of the drop. Then the frequency is given in terms of ABC, right? What are the values of A, comma B and C? For that, you should know the dimension for the frequency and other parameters. As you know, frequency V dimensional formula is 1 by time period t power minus 1. Okay. Then radius r dimensional formula is L. Next, density rho equal to mass by volume, it is equal to m by L power 3. M by L power 3 means m L power minus 3. That's the dimensional formula for density. Similarly, surface tension S equal to force per unit length. Okay, let us take another slide. Surface tension S equal to force per unit length. Here force dimensional formula mlt power minus 2, mlt power minus 2 by L. L cancel. Finally, surface tension dimensional formula mt power minus 2. Okay, then it is given that the frequency V equal to R power A, look at that one, R power A, rho power B, S power C, rho power B, S power C. Okay. Now let us write the dimension on both sides. Here it is t power minus 1 equal to R, L power A, M, L power minus 3 power B, S, M, T power minus 2 power C, can also be written as t power minus 1. The t power minus 1 I can also write like this. The t power minus 1, m power 0, L power 0, t power minus 1. Listen carefully. Equal to L power a minus 3b, right? M power b plus c and t power minus 2c. Now, right, equating the powers. Power of m, right? Power of m equal to what? B plus c. Look at this one. B plus c equal to 0. B plus c equal to 0. From this, I can write that b equal to minus c. Then power of t first. Power of t. Power of t minus 2c equal to minus 1. Minus 2c equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. C equal to 1 by 2. Since c equal to 1 by 2, b equal to minus c, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Then the power of L, power of L is a minus 3b equal to 0, equal to 0. A equal to 3b, a equal to 3b, a equal to 3 into, look at the b. B is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. So here a value is minus 3 by 2, b value is minus 1 by 2, and c value is plus 1 by 2. So that is the answer. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Look at the option A, minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Option A itself is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? I try to explain the each and every point at your understanding level. Okay? Similarly, let us take the another important problem. It is asking like this. Electric field in a certain region is given by electric field E bar given as A by x square I cap plus B by y cube j cap. Okay. Then SI unit of A and B. Here it is asking SI unit of A and B. Okay. For that, you should know the unit of electric field. Unit of electric field is N C power minus 1. X and Y. X and Y both are in meters. Okay. Then according to dimensional homogeneity, right? According to dimensional homogeneity, A by x square dimension must be equal to E bar unit. A by x square dimension equal to E bar dimension, or A by x square unit must be equal to E bar dimension. From this I can write that A by x is what? Meters. Meter square equal to N C power minus 1. Therefore, A unit is N C power minus 1 meter square, can also be written as N M square C power minus 1. That is the A. Similarly, B by Y cube unit, SI unit must be equal to E bar unit. From this, B by Y is in meters. Meter cube equal to N C power minus 1. Therefore, B equal to N C power minus 1 meter cube can be arranged as N meter power 3 C power minus 1. That is the B unit, right? So, A unit is N meter power 2. N meter power 2 minus C power minus 1. B, N meter power 3 C power minus 1. Look at the option B. Option B is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. It is asking like this. If force F, length L, and time T are assumed to be fundamental units, then the dimensional formula of the mass will be, it is given that mass is the function of force, length, and time. Therefore, m equal to a constant into f power a, l power b, t power c. Now you are asked to write in terms of, right, in terms of, right, yeah, what are the, and indirectly it is asking what are the values of a comma b comma c. For that, let us write the dimension for both sides. Mass dimension is m, force force dimension is m, l t power minus 2. Try to remember this one. Similarly, length l, length dimension is l only. Time dimension is t only. Time dimension is t only. Then I can write m power 0, right? M power not 0, m power 1. I should be very careful. Right? M power 0, m power 1, l power 0, t power 0 is equal to, here space is insufficient. Let us take another slide. Here we got m equal to, right, m equal to some constant k into, right, some constant k into f power a, l power b, t power c. Dimensional formula for m, l power 0, t power 0 equal to, directly I am writing for force m L t power minus 2 a power a. Of course, here k can also be written. It can be also written like this. And L power b, L power b should be very careful while you are writing. L power b and t power c. Okay. Now m power 1, L power 0, t power 0 is equal to k into m power a, m power a into L power a plus b, t power minus 2a plus c. Now equating the powers of m, L, t, power of m, right? Power of m, a equal to 1, a equal to 1. Next, power of L, a plus b equal to 0, a plus b equal to 0. From this I can write b equal to minus a, right? A got 1 minus 1, it is equal to minus 1. Then power of t minus 2a plus c equal to 0, 0. From this I can write that c equal to 2a, equal to 2 into a1 equal to 2. So finally we got a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 2. Okay. Then the what you're asked to decide in terms of f. Okay. So then it can be written as m equal to some constant k into f, f power a, f power 1, L power b minus 1, t power 2, f power 1, L power minus 1, t power 2, f power 1, L power minus 1, t power minus 2. Correct? Correct. Absolutely correct. So option B is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.